Before buying a phone mount for your Audi A3, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Keystall Magnetic Mount. First up is the Keystall for MagSafe Car Mount. Priced at just $9.98, it's a steal for anyone looking for a reliable phone holder. The strong magnets really caught my attention, and with over 28,700 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly popular. If you want a hassle-free mounting experience, this is worth a serious look. The magnetic strength on this mount is impressive. Designed specifically for MagSafe cases, it allows you to securely attach your iPhone without any additional metal plates. This means you won't have to fumble around while trying to set it up. Plus, the 3M adhesive ensures it sticks firmly to your dash, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. The 360 degrees rotation feature gives you the flexibility to adjust your phone for the best viewing angle, whether you're using GPS or taking calls. However, some users have mentioned that it doesn't support wireless charging, which was a bit disappointing. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize a strong hold over wireless convenience, this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss phone mount without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you rely heavily on wireless charging for your device. Honestly, for under $10, it's a solid value. Now, if the lack of wireless charging bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Android Car Phone Holder. Next up is the Android Car Phone Holder, priced at $25.59. With a sleek carbon fiber design, this one really stands out. With 20,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's another bestseller. If you're looking for a mount that combines style and function, you might want to consider this. It can hold up to 78 pounds, which is more than enough for any smartphone, and the 360 degrees rotation allows you to switch between portrait and landscape modes easily. It also features a unique cooling design that prevents overheating, which is a lifesaver during long drives. You can even install it in just 1 second. That said, some users mention that the suction cup can lose its grip over time. Here's my take: as long as you clean the surface before applying it, you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker for those who take care of their setup. This is perfect for you if you like a stylish mount with strong suction. Skip this one if you need something that's going to stay put for years without any maintenance. For the price, it's a solid pick. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a compact design. Product number 3, Johnoncer Magnetic Cup Mount. Coming in at $23.99, we have the Johnoncer Magnetic Suction Cup Phone Mount. This one's lightweight and foldable, making it super convenient to carry around. With a 4.2-star rating from 3,200 reviewers, it's a great choice for those who want portability. If you're always on the go, this could be the one for you. The N52 magnet provides a strong hold of up to 2,400 GF, which means you won't have to worry about your phone falling off during sudden stops or sharp turns. Plus, its pocket-sized design makes it easy to store when not in use. You can even use it in the gym or kitchen. However, some users did note that it takes a bit of time to settle for maximum adhesion. My advice: give it a day or so after installation. It's not a major drawback, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution that can be used in multiple scenarios. Skip it if you prefer a more traditional fixed setup. For its price point, it offers excellent versatility. Now, if you're looking for something specifically tailored for your Audi, this next product is made just for that. Product number 4, Clearmount's 2012 mount. Next, we have the Clearmount's phone holder designed for Audi A3 and S3 from 2002 to 2012. At $39, it's on the pricier side, but you might find it worth it for the custom fit. With a 4.7-star rating from 72 customers, it's a reliable option if you own one of these models. If you want a mount that fits perfectly in your car, this is definitely worth a look. This mount uses a powerful magnetic system that keeps your phone securely in place, allowing full 360 degrees rotation for easy access. The installation is straightforward. requiring no tools, which is a big plus if you're not the DIY type. The aluminum construction adds a touch of elegance while ensuring durability. However, a few users mentioned that it may not hold larger phones as securely, especially if they're in bulkier cases. Here's the thing, if you have a slimmer phone, you should be just fine, but if your phone is larger or heavily protected, it might be a bit tricky. This is perfect for you if you drive a 2012 Audi A3 and want a mount that blends seamlessly with your interior. Skip this one if you have a bigger phone that's in a bulky case. It's a well-made option for the price. Alright, that's a great choice for older models. But if you've got a newer Audi, you'll want to hear about this last product. Product number 5, ClearMount's 2013-2020 mount. Finally, we have another ClearMounts option, this time for the 2013 to 2020 Audi A3, S3, and RS3, also priced at $39. With a 4.6-star average from 154 reviews, it's almost equally impressive. If you own a newer model, this could be your perfect match. Plus, it's designed to fit any smartphone or GPS unit, ensuring versatility. The only downside some users reported is that the magnet can lose its grip after a while, especially in extreme temperatures. But honestly, if you follow the installation instructions carefully, you should be good to go for a long time. This is perfect for you if you have a newer Audi model and want a sleek, functional mount. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme conditions without losing grip. For its performance and build quality, it's worth every penny. So to wrap it up, the Keistyle is great for budget-conscious buyers, Andy offers style and strength, John Answer is for those on the go, ClearMounts for older Audis provides a custom fit, and the new ClearMounts is perfect for the latest models. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so just pick the one that best fits your needs.